QF 12-pounder 8CWT gun. The Ordnance QF 12-pounder 8CWT was a Royal Navy landing gun intended for Navy use ashore. 8CWT refers to the weight of the gun and breech. Approximately 8CWT equals 8x 112 lb 51 kg equals 896 lb 406 kg. This was how the British often differentiated between guns of the same caliber or weight of shell. This gun had a short barrel and was of relatively low power compared to the 12-pounders of 12 and 18 long CWT 610 and 910 kg, although it fired the same shells. History: 14 were converted into anti-aircraft guns as Mki**. The Royal Navy eventually replaced the gun with the 3.7-inch 94 mm mountain howitzer. Combat use. Second Boer War. The gun was used in the early stages of the Second Boer War in Natal. World War I. These guns were employed on land in the West Africa Campaign. They were also employed in the East Africa Campaign. Logan's Battery, 6th Field Battery, 2 guns, towed first by Hupmobile cars and then Rio lorries. This gun was briefly used in the Battle of Gallipoli, as the Royal Navy had supplies of ammunition for it when the Army was short of ammunition for its own guns. Several guns were landed in July 1915 and operated from frontline trenches. Surviving examples. There is a surviving example held and maintained at Devonport Field Gun Association Heritage Centre and Museum at Crown Hill Fort, Plymouth. There are also 3 examples at the Royal Canadian Sea Cadets Summer Training Camp at HMX Acadia in Cornwallis, Nova Scotia. They still fired regularly, although they only fire blanks for ceremonial and training purposes. One example is located at HMX Star in Hamilton, Ontario, and is in use by the Hamilton Sea Cadet Corps. In popular culture, the Oren field gun may be seen in action in the 1957 film Yangtze Incident, when a group of these guns was used on the banks of the River Orwell to depict Chinese PLA gun batteries on the north bank of the Yangtze, which fired on HMS Amethyst as she steamed up to Nanking in April 1949. Notes and references.